Hello and welcome to Thailand Travel Slideshow. This clip is about Lumpini Park in Bangkok and its famous water monitor lizards. Lumpini Park is a green oasis surrounded by steel, concrete, asphalt and noise of fascinating Bangkok, the capital of Thailand. 100 years ago, King Rama VI gave the area to the Thai people to develop it as a public park. Walk around the park, have a seat, have a picnic, or be active. Practice Tai Chi, for example. Or practice the famous old Thai tradition of Muay Thai. Or skateboarding. Many Thai people visit Lumpini Park for a short or longer time of relaxation. And now to the stars of Lumpini Park, the water monitors, giant lizards. You'll definitely meet them in Lumpini Park, swimming in the pool, walking on the paths, or basking in the sun. Up to 2.5 meters long, they're quite impressive. We hope you've enjoyed our presentation on Lumpini Park, where humans and water monitors come to relax in the heart of Bangkok. Thanks for watching Thailand Travel Slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. For more presentations, please also visit our YouTube channel, Asia Travel Slideshow, and our YouTube channel, World Travel Slideshow. Thank you.